Hello and loves, Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another 3/4 Designs design team layout. We're going to do the second layout for Xmas Magic today. Full unboxing on the channel. I did already kind of start because my computer wanted to do some weird rebooting. So all I did was fussy cut out some of that, take those two photos, mat them with the scrap that I had from the last layout, and just tuck them in. I really like doing that with the 3/4 Designs words are hard with the 3/4 Designs papers because they're so beautiful, right? So I do want to mat these. I've really been in the matting mood lately, as you know. I was sick, I was in Germany. It's been kind of a whirlwind situation lately. So just trying to get back to reality. And my trimmer is in my car, which is in the shop, and so we're just going old school on some things. Let's just go ahead and get this stuck down because I am creating this the same day that this is posting. We are also doing a Christmas in August, so I'm playing along, and you know, you guys know. So, okay, so we get that stuck there. I do want to take this little guy right here, and just kind of roughly scuff it up. This paper scuffs very nicely, so you don't have to really, you know. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do this as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and scuff that, get this piece stuck down, and I'll be right back to finish the layout with you. Alright, so I've popped up some ornaments there. I don't know if they're gonna stay there, if we're gonna move them up here. I actually think we're gonna go ahead and move these guys up here. I feel like that will work better in the long run. We've got those guys there. Then we're just going to come in and start putting these little die cut pieces down, right? So let's take a few of them. I'll pop a couple up. And then I'm trying to avoid is cover. I don't want to cover Maggie's little head. Which, like, Widow Mag goes is just sitting there watching me open presents, right? And I think that's really cute. Let's take this super cute little kitty. Pop the little kitty there. A little bit of a present. Let's pop this up on some foam as well. So what do you guys think? Are you liking the layout? Are you as amazed as I am that the year is like, we're about to hit Q3. It's just kind of been a little surreal for me lately. It's like everything, and we're actually, so I didn't get to take my North Dakota trip, so me and my husband are going to South Dakota. in October. So that'll be fun. Let's cut this one in half and get a little red down here. Well, get a little white, and then we'll take it the other way with a little red right there. So kind of bringing it all together. Let's get this guy over here, but I think we need to pop him up on some foam as well. Right. Right there. Okay. What else? What else? What else? I actually like it just like that. Let's see if we've got any enamel dots or any kind of fun just some fun little gems, right? Let's put some red in here. Get a whole bunch of different sizes. Let's get that one there. And let's get, oh, that one's going there because these are so teeny. I don't wanna. And let's go here, here. Just kind of get those trapped in. I mean, kind of making it just kind of work. Just wherever they land, where they're going, right? All right, and we've got those in there. And that's actually gonna do it, you guys. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to go check out 3/4 Designs. They give you a 3/4 of what you need to complete the layout, which is kind of cool. And I do have extras to play with later, so that'll be fun. You'll see these kits come back another day. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.